So now, as I start the process already, I put in some spinach and celery inside of it, alright? Now, we're gonna add some water to it. Just a cup of water. I'm gonna add some flat parsley, ginger, that's the apple. We're gonna simply squeeze some lime juice in it, a little bit of apple cider vinegar, or about a teaspoon. And what we're gonna do now is just blend it, and you can drink this first thing in the morning on an empty stomach. All right, stay right there, don't go anywhere, and watch it. Now this kind of little bit like it a little bit runny, like it's split. All right guys, so if it is a little bit split, I'm gonna tell you how to correct this. All right, what I'm gonna do is just simply pour out a little bit of it, and I'm going to put some spinach inside of it. Just a little bit more spinach. Alright, I'm gonna cover it. Can put ripe banana. I'm gonna add a little bit more of this fish I pour out of it. Nice one. Alright, so basically it's still split, but you still can have this early in the morning. Alright, thank you for watching, stay tuned, and I will see you next time in the kitchen with more recipe from Chef Ricardo. Bye bye.